Hey guys, welcome to Ueephone video. The iPhone in this video can be seen booting up and showing that Face ID is not available. And you can also see that Face ID is not available in the settings. Let's disassemble the machine to check the problem. Unscrew the two tail screws. Use a pick to open the screen gap after hitting the screen. Uncover the screen, unscrew the cover plate screws, and then remove the cover plate. Remove the Face ID module after disconnecting the Face ID module cable. It can be seen that this component has been repaired, and there is an IC on the dot matrix cable, and this IC is broken. Then the problem should be here past the blue light protection sticker and clamp the Face ID module with a paper. Use a heat gun to remove the dot matrix cable. After the dot matrix cable is removed, remove the dot matrix IC and replant time and install it on the new cable. We see also the machine test that the display is broken, which means that there is a problem with the dot matrix IC chip. After clamping the dot matrix IC, we use a heat gun to heat and remove the old chip glue. Drop solder past and install the conversion pad. Then tie the new chip and install it. Now let's test whether the lattice is normal. You can see that the dot matrix has returned to normal. Then put it back. Now it can be seen that the difference between the new cable and the old cable is still very big. There are two completely different maintenance modes. We put the Face ID back on the phone. Snap on the Face ID cable, battery cable and handset cable. Install the cover plate and tighten the cover plate screws. Press the screen of the phone well and screw on the two tail screws. We turn it on to see if the Face ID function is back to normal. You can see that the Face ID can be used normally and unlocked. Then the repair of this iPhone is over.